When your factory needs that part or manifold, you don't want to wait. Imagine if all your core air preparation and valve terminal assemblies were available when and where you needed them. Now it's possible, and we've partnered with Festo to make it happen. Our new assembly program, Festo, ensures you're covered. So when you need that next assembly from our wide range of products, you'll have 5 great reasons to choose us. Fast delivery. Configurations made on the spot because the components are already in stock with your distributor. Savings because the assemblies are built locally. Local experts to answer questions and offer valuable advice. And customized options to meet your specific needs. Rely on the global leader in intelligent automation solutions for assemblies you need right in your own backyard. Festo Assembly Program. Global innovations from your local destination. For more information on this option that saves you time and money, contact us today.